The sky is no longer the limit, it's the studio. Imagine drones that don't just fly, but think, capturing breathtaking 8K detail while AI predicts movement, tracks subjects, and composes shots like a pro cinematographer. In this video, we're unveiling the top 8K drones with insane AI features built for serious creators in 2026. Some are unbelievably smart. Others feel almost autonomous, and by the end, you'll see how the future of aerial filmmaking is already rewriting the rules of creativity. Number 1. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your playground. This is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and calling it just a drone doesn't feel right. This is a flying cinematographer, a silent explorer, a game changer in the air. From the moment it lifts off, you feel it. The stability is unreal, like it's locked onto invisible rails in the sky. Wind, tight spaces, fast movement? It doesn't panic, it adapts. The triple camera system doesn't just capture footage, it tells stories. Wide cinematic landscapes, detailed mid-range shots, and stunning close-ups. All from a machine that folds into your backpack. And then there's the intelligence. This drone doesn't just fly, it understands. Advanced obstacle sensing wraps around you like a digital shield, mapping the world in real time. You can focus on creativity while it handles precision. Tracking a car down a mountain road? Following a runner through the city at golden hour? It sticks to the subject like it's reading your mind. Low light feels brighter. Colors feel deeper. Motion feels smoother than ever. The footage doesn't look recorded, it looks produced. And the range, it stretches your imagination. Long-distance transmission keeps your connection solid, clear, and confident. You're not just piloting, you're directing from the sky. The future of aerial filmmaking isn't coming, it's hovering right in front of you. Number 2. The future doesn't arrive with noise anymore. It fits in your pocket. Meet the HOVERAir X1 PRO, a pocket-sized 8K drone that feels less like a gadget and more like a personal flying camera crew. The first time you launch it, there's no complicated setup, no intimidating controller. You unfold it, tap once, and it lifts into the air with quiet confidence. It hovers in front of you like it's waiting for direction, because it is. This drone is built for real life. Hiking up a mountain trail? It follows smoothly from above. Running along the beach at sunset? It keeps you centered, cinematic, and sharp in stunning 8K clarity that captures every detail, every shadow, every flicker of light. What makes it special isn't just resolution, it's intelligence. The tracking feels natural, almost instinctive. It anticipates movement, adjusts angles mid-flight, and maintains distance without drifting or overcorrecting. There's no stress about obstacles either. Built-in sensors constantly read the environment, helping it glide safely through tight spaces while you stay focused on the moment. And because it's designed to be ultra-compact, you carry it everywhere without thinking twice. No heavy gear, no bulky bag, just creativity on demand. Pull it out, launch, capture, land, all in minutes. The footage doesn't look like casual drone shots. It feels cinematic, polished, intentional. Social media content suddenly looks like a professional production. Travel memories become immersive stories. The HOVERAir X1 PRO isn't trying to replace big drones. It's redefining what everyday aerial creativity feels like. Smaller, smarter, effortless. This isn't about flying higher, it's about making every moment look legendary. Number 3. Imagine a camera that doesn't just see the world, it captures all of it at once. No angles missed, no second takes, just pure, limitless perspective. This is the Insta360 Antigravity A1, the 8K 360 drone that feels like it was pulled straight out of tomorrow. The moment it rises into the air, you realize this isn't traditional aerial filming. Instead of choosing a direction, you capture every direction. Above, below, behind, in front, the entire environment becomes your canvas. Later, you decide the angle. It's like flying with infinite cameras stitched into one seamless cinematic eye. What truly sets it apart is how effortless it feels. The stabilization is so smooth it almost defies physics, keeping footage locked in even when the wind tries to interrupt. The 360 capture creates that surreal, invisible drone effect, making your shots look like a floating camera drifting through space. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, exploring city skylines, or filming high-energy action, the Antigravity A1 transforms movement into art. And then there's the intelligence behind it. Advanced tracking keeps subjects perfectly framed without that robotic stiffness. It flows with you, adjusting height and distance naturally, as if it understands storytelling. Obstacle sensing works quietly in the background, allowing you to focus on creativity instead of control. When you review the footage, it doesn't feel like drone video. It feels immersive, interactive, alive. You're not just watching a scene, you're stepping back into it and choosing how to experience it. The Insta360 Antigravity A1 isn't about flying higher or faster, it's about capturing reality without limits. And once you see the world in 360 degrees, there's no going back. Number 4. What if your camera could think for itself and follow you like a personal film crew from the future? Meet the DJI Neo 2, a compact follow-me drone designed to turn everyday moments into cinematic stories. From the second it takes off, you feel the difference. No complicated setup, no intimidating controls. It rises smoothly, locks onto you, and starts moving with intention. Walking through city streets, cycling down an open road, hiking towards a sunset, it tracks your motion with a natural flow that feels less like automation and more like awareness. What makes the Neo 2 stand out is how intelligently it follows. It doesn't just chase, it anticipates. The subject tracking stays steady even when you change speed or direction, keeping you perfectly framed without awkward drifting. Built-in obstacle sensing constantly scans the environment, helping it glide safely through tight spaces while you stay focused on the moment. And because it's designed to be ultra-compact, you carry it everywhere without thinking twice. No heavy gear, no bulky bag, just creativity on demand. Pull it out, launch, capture, land, all in minutes. The footage doesn't look like casual drone shots. It feels cinematic, polished, intentional. Social media content suddenly looks like a professional production. Travel memories become immersive stories. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just following you, it's documenting your journey, as if the future decided to tag along. Number 5. Vlogging used to mean holding a camera at arm's length and hoping for the best. Now your camera flies. This is the DJI Flip, an all-in-one vlog camera drone that feels like it was designed for creators living one step ahead of the present. The first time you launch it, there's this instant realization. This isn't just about aerial shots, it's about freedom. You unfold it, tap to start, and it rises smoothly, framing you automatically like a personal director hovering in the air. Walking through a busy market, exploring rooftops at golden hour, or capturing travel moments on the go, it keeps you centered and cinematic without needing constant input. What makes it special is how naturally it adapts. Intelligent subject tracking locks onto you and flows with your movement, adjusting height and distance in real time. The stabilization keeps footage buttery smooth, even when your day isn't. And when you want dynamic angles, it shifts perspective effortlessly. Wide, scenic shots 1 second, close, engaging framing the next. Everything about it feels streamlined. No heavy gear, no complicated setup. Just unfold, fly, create. The image quality is sharp and vibrant, ready for social media straight from the air, making your content look intentional rather than improvised. The DJI Flip doesn't just capture your story, it elevates it, literally and creatively. Because in this era, the best camera isn't in your hand, it's hovering right beside you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.